This glass breaks in one hit, but this survives a bullet. No tricks, no editing. So tell me, what's hiding inside this glass? In this video, you'll see exactly how it's made and why bullets fail.
Bulletproof glass isn't actually just glass. It's a powerful combination of high-quality silica glass and a special plastic layer. This plastic layer is usually polycarbonate or PVB, and this is the real hero that absorbs impact. It all starts with massive glass sheets. Machines cut them into precise sizes using laser accuracy. Even a 1 millimeter mistake means rejection. Now comes the most satisfying part. The layers are stacked like a sandwich. Glass, plastic, plastic. Depending on protection level, there can be 3 to 10 or more layers. The layers are then passed through heat and pressure. Heated rollers remove air bubbles, and the layers begin to stick together like a single sheet. This is the most critical step. Glass is placed inside a giant pressure chamber called an autoclave. High temperature, extreme pressure. Result, the layers fuse permanently with no gaps, no air. Next, the glass is cooled down slowly, preventing cracks and stabilizing the structure. The edges are polished, sharp corners are removed for safety and a clean, premium finish. Every panel goes through strict testing, impact tests, stress tests, optical clarity checks, and sometimes real bullets. Now, the exciting part. What really happens when a bullet hits? The first glass layer shatters instantly, absorbing the initial energy like a sacrifice. Cracks spread across the surface, distributing the force and slowing the bullet down. Then comes the real shield. The plastic layer bends, but doesn't break easily. It absorbs the impact and traps the bullet. The remaining layers slow it down completely until the bullet comes to a full stop. Simple explanation. Normal glass, it shatters instantly. Bulletproof glass, it absorbs, spreads, and stops the impact. Not all bulletproof glass is the same. Low level stops handguns. Medium level can resist rifles. High level is used in military-grade protection. More layers means more protection. It's not completely bulletproof. It's bullet-resistant. With enough force or repeated hits, it can fail.